Welcome back, everyone, and welcome back to Llama Ranch. This is our third video out here. I got Steve out here. We are going to be running a science experiment. Science! We've discovered there's a lot of different hollow point and defensive rounds out there. And I got to thinking, you know, they all say, I'm the greatest, or this is the greatest. This one has the best defense level, or this one has the greatest expansion. This one has the least over penetration. And we got to thinking, well, is it all just smoke screen, or is there one that's actually the best? So we got a hold of 5 different brands, 5 different kinds of 124 grain hollow point rounds, and we're gonna be testing them on my newly made homemade ballistics gel. And oh, woo! I almost dropped that. It's gonna be one of those kind of videos, but mixed with science. So this is what we'll be shooting today, and we'll go left to right. Everything here is 124 grain to keep things consistent across the board. First, we have the Federal Premium Jacketed Hollow Point. So this is actually one of the rounds that I use in my guns when I carry hollow point. Then we have Sig Sauer Elite Defense V Crown, and they claim superior performance and extreme accuracy. We'll see. Don't really have a problem with Sig, other than they keep getting the military contract. Next we have Hornady American Gunner, and this is just a typical hollow point, it looks like. Nothing really special about it, apparently, but we'll see. Then we have this golden standard, there's a pun, used by law enforcement, Spear Gold Dot. This is their personal protection line, again 124 grain, and we'll see how that one does. I have a feeling this one's going to do the best, but again, we don't know. Last but not least, this is Stevens. Steve? Yeah. You talk all about how pretty this round is. I guess we're going to find out.
It is.
I mean, it is a good looking round here. Are we showcasing this?
We're doing the reveal.
Okay.
This is when you play like sexy music in the background. It is a thing of beauty.
It is a good looking round, but you know, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it handles. Full disclosure, we don't know anything about these rounds as far as ballistics is concerned. I personally use Hornady Critical Defense. Yours is the most used here, and you've got the Winchester defense round, so with the polymer tip. This right here is the Federal round. You know, just a simple jacketed hollow point. No polymer tip in there, so won't cause cancer in California. This here is the Sig. This one actually is unique. It's got a little star in there. You can see there's a little star cut out from where
it's like a tramp stamp for a bullet.
This is the Hornady bullet. This actually looks almost exactly like my Critical Defense, with the exception of there's no polymer infill, polymer tip there. So that's the Hornady. Now we don't need to talk about this one. We've already been obsessing over this one. This is my personal favorite. I was really excited that I was able to find this. This is the Spear Gold Dot rounds. That's just a nasty looking round, in my opinion. I mean, I think this is gonna be the best performance. This is kind of a testament to what I think my gel is gonna do. I think this will go through the gel. That rounds out our round up. Let's go ahead and go shoot them. First shot, the Federal hollow point. I am gonna miss. Okay, clear. Let's go take a look at this. Oh, it's right there. So that's about 12 inches of penetration. That is actually pretty good expansion there. I'm pretty impressed with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab. All right, second round is gonna be the Sig Sauer. Oh, look, it turned.
She's in there.
It turned. Oh, that expanded really. Oh, they both turned actually. Okay. So the first one, the Federal, actually is pointing down. That's the bottom of the bullet, or the back of the bullet that you can see there. So the SIG went, for all intents and purposes, the same distance. Okay, pretty consistent there. Huh, that's really neat. It did travel just a little less distance, but wow, you can even see, do you see the twist? Because of the rifling of the barrel? That is so cool. Hornady, 124 grain.
Dang.
We're all, it's within an inch of each other. This is really interesting. So far, we don't have a clear winner here. You know what I'm gonna do? Stop it, stop it, stop it. It doesn't, this is not consensual, stop it.
You know what it feels like? It feels like warm apple pie.
This is the Winchester defense round that Steve uses. Let's see if it's worthy. Oh! I screwed that one up. I pulled on that one. That one grazed.
That moved.
Why is there red right there?
Is that the tip of the polymer?
No, because this. How would it have gotten over there? I guess.
skills.
Oh, it lost the pedal. Some of the pedal broke off. So, it definitely got more penetration. It damn near went through that. So I'm gonna call that 15 inches. That's interesting. All right, we're gonna flip and aim for. That's gonna.
Right here.
Okay. I think we've seriously overestimated my aim abilities, even at 10 feet. Last but hopefully not least is the Spear Gold Dot, trusted by law enforcement everywhere. All right, so Gold Dot got an extra inch on the rest of them. So let's call that 13. So first off, Steve, we've already had a win. This stuff actually works. I was honestly concerned that it wouldn't be thick enough, dense enough to stop a 9mm bullet, because I saw that it could, most will penetrate, like hollow points will penetrate 14 to 16 inches. Your Winchester just about got out there. For hollow point, there's two things that you're looking for. That's expansion and penetration. The penetration, you don't want over penetration because you're putting other potential friendlies or soft targets around the person or thing you're aiming for in harm's reach. So there's that element. So you want it to stay in the body, but at the same time, you want it expanding out and causing the most amount of damage.
I thought there were supposed to be lungs that got blown out.
Yeah, they're gone.
I have lungs. I was just playing with them.
Oh. Why are you playing with lungs?
I don't know.
Okay. When we look at this. Okay. I still.
I don't think that
I don't have lungs blown out the backside.
Yeah, they're not going to get blown out of the body. Of course, I forgot my knife, so we're just going to start pulling this apart slowly. What was this? This was the Winchester, right?
Yep, that was me.
That's awesome. So the expansion, I mean, this is actually the front of the bullet, right? Or yeah, this was the tip. The pedals bent backwards. Next is gonna be the Gold Dot. Oh, that one's beautiful. that is the perfect expansion and end result. I'm keeping that one. It's like a little flower. Ow! What? Why are you there? That one's nasty. Look, like just looks like a lead slug. I mean, doesn't look like it lost any of the petals, but oh, whoa! I think this is the SIG. That's really a neat one.
Yeah, it is.
That's grizzly looking. It had that little star cut.
Oh, the tramp stamp.
Yeah, the tramp stamp. So that could be what that did. That's pretty neat. This one was the Federal.
Yeah.
I don't know. That's pretty. Okay. One of these was Federal. One of them was SIG.
It's like the same.
So this is the one I just pulled. This is the one I'm calling the Federal. This one is the SIG. You know what we have to do with this, right? We have to blow the of it.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say eat it. Oh, that's just gross. Sorry.
Disgusting. It's got sawdust on it. I mean, it's edible. All it is Knox gelatin. It, like I told you and Darren the other night, if you could eat hard but warm water, that's what this is. It has zero taste.
What I'm hearing is you want me to put some...
No. So, conclusions. Gold dot Winchester for maximum penetration. Ladies. The
SIG.
Federal, the Hornady, and the SIG, all about the same at 12, 13 inches of penetration.
Yeah.
Honestly, the expansion on all the bullets seemed pretty good. So, you know, all these different companies claiming that theirs is the best, it seems like it's... But Winchester's really not claiming they're the best.
There is one
Oh,
thing.
humility. That's going to do it for this video, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found this interesting or a little bit informative. I might be switching my primary defense round. As always, if you like this, please hit the like button. If you really like it, consider subscribing. As always, make it a great day.
And now, we shoot some more gel.
Weapons free!